Welcome to another Simple Dad Capcut tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to slow down a video on Capcut. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video so YouTube can push it out to others who need this tutorial. And I would like to thank every one of you who has done this in the past. Slowing down a clip allows you to see fast-moving action scene in slow motion. Whether it's someone running, dancing, or jumping, the clip will be played in slow motion. So let me show you how to do this. First, open up your Capcut application. Now tap on the new project. Next, select your video clip which you want to slow down. Press add. The clip will be inserted into your timeline at the bottom. Select the clip from the timeline. Then tap on edit at the bottom left. Then tap on speed. Now tap on normal. You should get the speed slider tool at the bottom. Drag the circle to the left to slow it down. The most common type of slow motion is slowed down by half, so move the circle until you see 0.5x. Play the video and review your clip. If you want to slow it down more, move the circle to the left hand side. If you want to reduce the slow motion, then move it to the right, but don't go past 1x. Press the tick once complete. And that is how to slow down a video on Capcut. If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.